this. Okay. Yes, very good afternoon, my dear friends. Dosto, good afternoon. Chalo done. We are done with concept of income from salaries. Now we are just left with one crazy head of income called PGBP. अगर वो हो गया बेटा, अब heads of income का काम खत्म. Are we ready? Shall we go ahead, my dear friends? Come on, my dear friends. Before we proceed, let me ask some questions. Tell the answer, then we'll move forward. Okay? Telephone allowance. Reimbursement of telephone expenses. Fully exempt. Lunch allowance. Lunch perquisite. More than 50 per meal is taxable. How many working days you will assume? याद है ना बेटा? Shashank? Yes. 22. 4% house property. Can we set off business loss? Business with casual income. Casual loss with business income. Casual loss with casual income. Can we set off non-speculation loss with speculation profit? Huh? Yes, correct only. इतना क्या सोच रहे हैं आप? Speculation loss with non-speculation profit. Exactly. Speculation loss only with speculation profit. याद है ना बेटा? What is Manjula Jesha case law? Cross transfer. A. That is Keshavji Morarji. What is Manjula Jesha? Indexation can be claimed from the year in which previous owner acquired the asset. याद है ना बेटा? Everybody. What is section 50? Capital gain on depreciable assets. याद है concept? Everybody. Section 32. Depreciation. When can we charge depreciation? Only when two conditions are satisfied. What are two conditions? Closing WDV must be positive and there is at least one asset in the block. If any condition failed or both conditions failed, then what will happen? No capital gain or loss. What will come? I mean, no depreciation. What will come is capital gain or loss, which is deemed to be short term. दोस्तों 50B, 50C, 56 to 10, 9. On or after 1/4/2014 will directly tax under income from other sources. Section 15. 27. 28. Chargeability for PGBP. We'll talk. 45(1). For 45(1)(a). How many cases taxable? 4 cases it is taxable. What are the 4 cases? Flood, typhoon, hurricane, cyclone, earthquake, convulsion of nature. Next. Accidental fire or explosion, riots or civil disturbance, action taken by an enemy or action taken in combating an enemy with or without declaration of war. Good. 45(2). Conversion of capital into stock in trade. 48. 112. Section 9. 112(a). Exactly. What is the tax rate? On amount exceeding. सर इसमें अपन ये 31 Jan 18 वाला कहानी बात करें ना, ये आपको पता है क्या? हमें ठीक है, सुनो सर. जनरली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट 1/4/2001, ये तो याद है ना आपको? क्या है कॉन्सेप्ट? इफ asset is acquired before 1/4/2001, we will take what? Original cost or fair market value on this date, whichever is higher. Land and building will take stamp duty value. But for those covered under 112(a), cutoff date is not 1/4/21. Cutoff date is 31 Jan 18. Because ये डेट से पहले ये exempt ही था, ये डेट के बाद ही उसको टैक्स करे. That was the rate of 10% on amount exceeding 1 lakh. Here what they told is if that shares they are all acquired before 1/2/2018, what will you take the cost as? They told first one, higher of पहला वाला point actual cost, और second वाला point क्या है बेटा? fair market value on which date? 31st Jan 18, बराबर है ना? बट एक छोटा सा पॉइंट है इधर, दोनों छोटा सा पॉइंट है, दैट इज दे टोल्ड टेक लोअर ऑफ FMV on 31st Jan 18, B actual sale price. मतलब your market value you cannot take more than your actual sale price. Indirectly meaning यही हो गया ना बेटा? Sir, listen my dear friends, what I am trying to tell you is, sir, imagine in 1990 some shares are purchased at 1000 rupees. ठीक है ना? 31st Jan 2018 the share price is 16,000 per share, and you sold on 10/10/22 at the rate of 19,000. Law is telling don't cry, don't pay tax on difference between these two, pay tax on difference between these two. मतलब आपको दो चीज याद रखना है. नॉर्मली 1/4/2001 देखेंगे हम लोग, बट 1/1/2 केस में 31st Jan 2018. समझ में आया ना? ये लिख लो बेटा एक बार. And 1/1/2A, one point already we know that we cannot take any indexation. और एक पॉइंट पे अपने को पता है नो रिबेट अंडर सेक्शन 87A, और 1/1/2 को 1/1/2A को 1/1/1A को एक कॉमन पॉइंट है दो, नो चैप्टर 6A डिडक्शन. ऑफ कोर्स सच्चा 15% हो तो है ही, नो चैप्टर 6A. एंड फॉर रेसिडेंट इंडिविजुअल एंड बोलो 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 क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं, क्या बोलने वाला हूं? BL कैन बी यूज्ड. ये तो ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है मैंने आपको यार दोस्तों, लिख लो ना एक बार प्लीज. लिख लेगा बेटा. एंड इसका लॉजिक समझ गए ना आप लोग? ये लोअर ऑफ दिस टू क्यों बोल रहे हैं? क्यों? नहीं 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 नहीं, आप मार्केट वैल्यू अगर आपका सेलिंग प्राइस से ज़्यादा है, मार्केट वैल्यू सेलिंग प्राइस से ज़्यादा है, आप मार्केट वैल्यू फिगर लेकर लॉस दिखा नहीं सकते. अगर मार्केट वैल्यू आपका सेलिंग प्राइस से ज़्यादा है, आप वो फिगर लेकर आप लॉस दिखा नहीं सकते, इसलिए उन्होंने बोला लोअर ऑफ दिस टू. समझे क्या? Speak out my dear friends. So at any given point of time your cost cannot go more than your sale price by using market value. इसलिए उन्होंने बोल दिया lower of this two. साक्षी जी क्लियर? Friends, can I proceed? Everyone? Good. चलो my dear friends. How do we do the computation for let out? जवाब दो. GAV. How do we calculate GAV? आंसर दो. एक्सपेक्टेड एंड रेंटर से दोनों कंपेयर करेंगे. हाँ, फिर एक्सपेक्टेड एंड रेंटर से कंपेयर करेंगे, फिर स्टैंडर्ड रेंट. क्या बोल रहे हैं मेरे भाई? उसका कुछ तो स्टैंडर्ड रेंट। समझे मैं क्यों क्वेश्चन पूछा? ये पढ़ के 10 दिन का ऊपर हो गया, इसलिए मैं क्वेश्चन पूछा आपको। म्युनिसिपल वैल्यू, फेयर वैल्यू, विच एवर इज हायर, सब्जेक्ट टू स्टैंडर्ड रेंट। ये सब करे तो आपको क्या आएगा? फिर कैलकुलेट करो रेंट रिसीव्ड, दोनों में से जो हायर रहेगा वो आपका जीए बनेगा। इफ देयर इज नो वैकेंसी, इफ देयर इज वैकेंसी, rent received is greater or equal to expected rent, then answer is rent received. If less than expected rent, then see the reason. Reason is vacancy, rent received. Reason is not vacancy, expected rent. क्यों रिवर्स कर रहा है, समझ में आया ना बेटा? बोलो, what is section 5? Scope of goods. What is section 6(1)? कितने कंडीशंस हैं? स्पेशल केसेस कितने हैं? बोलो क्या है? 3। इंडियन सिटीजन leaving India during the previous year for the purpose of employment outside India. Second, Indian citizen leaving India during the previous year as a member of crew of a Indian ship which is foreign bound. उसमें याद है ना आपको ये स्टोरी? क्या ये क्या क्या एक्सक्लूड करेंगे? डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग till the date of leaving, signing off shall be excluded. नॉर्मली हम लोग कितना दिन इंडिया में वो कैलकुलेट करेंगे, पर इस केस में कितना दिन इंडिया में नहीं है वो देखेंगे, 3 में से ये माइनस करेंगे। अपने को तो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत है, क्लियर है ना बेटा? थर्ड वाला केस क्या है? इंडियन सिटीजन और a person of Indian origin who is coming to India for a visit during previous year. He has to satisfy the first condition. First, not satisfied. Then second, modified will come. If total income, पूरा आंसर, total income other than foreign sources is more than 15 lakhs. What is the second modified condition? 120 days or more during the preceding year and during 4 years preceding the previous year. याद आ रहा है क्या कुछ? Good. Understood why I am asking this? And if question is silent, will you assume he is an Indian citizen? I already told this point to you. If question is silent, don't assume he is an Indian citizen. 6(1)(a). Conditions. He must be in India. अच्छा, क्या बोल रहे भाई? He must be a citizen of India. Next. His total income other than foreign sources is more than 15 lakhs. He is not liable to tax in any other country by reason of his domicile, residence or any other criteria of similar nature. तो बोला इंडियन सिटीजन, मैं बोला हाँ, नहीं, दूसरा चेंज क्यों किया आंसर फिर? इन एग्जाम स्टूडेंट्स आर राइटिंग पर्सन ऑफ इंडियन ऑरिजिन। पागल हो गया क्या यार? प्लीज, क्लैरिटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट। समझे क्या? गुड क्वेश्चन, गुड आंसर। व्हाट इज द सरचार्ज फॉर डोमेस्टिक कंपनीज? ऐसा मत बोल, आंसर बोल। हाँ, 7 and 12 इनकम। टेन करोड़ तक 7 मतलब, तो वो आंसर आना चाहिए ना। मोर देन 1 crore does not exceed 10 crores, 7%. More than 10 crores, exactly, that should come, no? What is the tax rate for LLP? Zero to 10? बोल। Flat 30%, same like partnership firm boss, cooperative society, बोल अभी। 0 to 10,000? हाँ, 10%. 10,000, 20,000, 20%. About 20,000, 30%. Student is asking, sir, PGP भी चालू करो सर। कर दूं क्या? ये क्या बोल रहे? हाँ बोला ना? अच्छा ये सब जरूरत ही नहीं है। नहीं, जो अंदर रहता वही निकलता बाहर भाई. Sir, please sir, it is very important not just moving forward, it is also very important that whatever we learn should be there in the brain. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? उसके लिए मैं रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ. That's the only thing. Clear, no? Difference between finishing, completing. If finish is the objective, we would have closed by this time. Clear, no? Please. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Everyone, what are the cases where indexation benefit is not allowed? Even though long term, still indexation not allowed. Bonds and debentures. Other than sovereign gold bonds issued by RBI, capital index bonds issued by government. है ना? मतलब सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड्स बोलना चाहिए. तू हाँ बोल रहे हैं, ये नहीं पहले. सर बोलो बेटा. रूल 7B. बोलो. ग्रोन क्योर्ड. हाँ. Confidence. Grown and cured 75-25. Grown cured roasted grounded 60-40. दोस्तों क्लियर है ना? रूल 4. अंडरस्टैंड कंडीशंस. कितने कंडीशन है? 4. बोलो. Tenancy is bona fide. Defaulting tenant has vacated or steps have been taken to vacate him. Third, he is not in occupation of any other property of the owner. Fourth one. Exactly. और satisfies AO that legal action would be useless. पढ़ा है बेटा आपको मैंने? यार बोलो बेटा. 234B. सबसे चिंदी आंसर है. Interest for late payment, interest for non-payment or short payment of advance tax. When advance tax paid is less than 90%. Interest rate 1%. From when? क्या नहीं? अपने को आता नहीं. जो सही बोल रहे उनको बोल रहे नहीं. Interest will be there from first day of assessment year till completion of assessment. आदित्य बोल रहे हैं सर वो 3 months 3 months 3 months 1 month था ना सर? मैं ये पूछा ही नहीं अभी तक. बोल. 234A क्या है? करेक्ट ही बोल रहा है. Interest for delay for return of income. What is the due date for return of income? ये फर्स्ट बोलते हैं 31st October in 3 cases. What are 3 cases? Companies other than companies subject to tax audit. Partner of a firm. If firm is subject to tax audit. In other case, 31st July. Which section gave that due date of return of income? 139(1). याद है ना बेटा? यार बोलो ना यार, कुछ तो जवाब दो. Are we clear? पक्का? Sure. Who is that person who is not required to pay advance tax? Income is less than 10,000. Wonderful. Any other second point? One more point. क्या हुआ? What happened? अरे व्हाट इज अवर साइज, व्हाट इज कॉकरोच साइज? तो कुछ भी बोल रहे यार. सीरियसली. ठीक है, लेट्स कम बैक टू द पॉइंट. रेसिडेंट सीनियर सिटीजन, not just senior citizen, resident senior citizen who does not have business income. बराबर है, पता है मुझे. गुड सर, क्लियर है ना यार? बोलो ना यार. 5628. आगे. टैक्स इन द ईयर ऑफ रिसीट. हाँ, आफ्टर रिड्यूसिंग स्टैंडर्ड एक्शन रेट ऑफ 50%. पूरा बोलो ना यार, हेडिंग बोलता क्या यार तू? सर क्लियर है क्या यार? बोलो ना यार. चलो डन. The reason I asked all these questions is only to once quickly revise what we have done. Clear, my dear friends? Let's begin. It's time to talk one of the most amazing, fantastic, outstanding head of income. Very practical, very common. That is your P, G, B, P. If we don't have a clarity on this, BP will come. Yeah? But what is PGBP? Full form क्या है इसका? Profits and gains from business or profession. Good. P stands for profits. G stands for good. ये दोनों में फर्क क्या है? कुछ भी बोल रहे यार. प्रॉफिट में गेन में फर्क क्या है? रुको 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 भाई साहब, कुछ बोल रहे सुनिए. बोलना भाई. अरे व्हाट इज प्रॉफिट दिव्या? व्हाट इज प्रॉफिट? अरे व्हाट इज प्रॉफिट? इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंस. इसे प्रॉफिट. इतना क्या सोच रहे बोलने के लिए? इतना सिंपल कैसा बोलेंगे सर? बोलो ना यार. ठीक है, व्हाट इज गेन? एग्जाम्पल दो. एक्स्ट्रा क्या मतलब? बढ़कर. अच्छा, मतलब लैंड बेचे तो जो पैसा है वो गेन है. अच्छा, वेरी गुड. माय क्वेश्चन टू इज, लैंड बेच के जो पैसा है वो गेन हम कैपिटल गेन में दिखाएंगे ना, तो पीजी में क्यों आया वो? क्वेश्चन समझे क्या अभी मेरा? वैलिड क्वेश्चन ओनली नो. If it's a gain on sale of building, it will come in capital gain. Why it will come in PGBP then? Here what is covered is profit is income minus expense. Gain is an unexpected income in the course of business or profession. You're getting what I'm saying? Speak out, my dear friends. Business. Business का मतलब क्या है? Wonderful. Business includes trade, commerce, manufacture, or any adventure in the nature of trade, commerce, manufacture. सुनिए वर्ड बहुत बार. ट्रेड का मतलब क्या है? ट्रेडिंग मीन्स बाइंग एंड सेलिंग. व्हाट इज कॉमर्स? बोलो आपका 12th का आंसर बोलो. Aids to trade. Wonderful. The activities which facilitate trade, something like transportation, logistics, everything. What is manufacturing? रॉ मटेरियल से फिनिश गुड बनाए. अच्छा ठीक है. आई लास्ट वन क्वेश्चन. I have taken a glass of water. क्यों हंस रहे? I've taken a glass of water and I put in the refrigerator. After half an hour, the normal water has become chilled water, cool water. Is it manufactured? Speak out. Answer is no. To call it manufacture, there must clearly be a distinct name, character, and use. If I put the water in an ice tray and put in refrigerator, converted water into ice, then it is called manufacture. Because ice has got a distinct name, distinct character, distinct use. Cool drinks. पहले कैसे पानी पानी है ना, सब पानी ठंडा पानी बन गया. Why did you guys laugh when I told glass of water? अच्छा, ठीक है. So getting my point, no? One more example. I've taken one drum of shampoo. Drum of what? And I converted into small packets. Is it manufactured? No. Shampoo is still shampoo only. तो पैकिंग बदल गया, रीपैकिंग किया उसको, डिस्टिंक्ट नेम कैरेक्टर यूज किधर बदला? शैम्पू तो अभी भी शैम्पू ही है ना, ऐसे थोड़ी है उसको बन गया. अभी भी अच्छा. Is clear with this point everybody? दोस्तों स्टूडेंट आस्किंग पीजीपी हो गया क्या सर? हाँ हेडिंग चल रहा है. P for profession. What is profession? Law told profession includes vocation. Vocation refers to inborn skill and talent. Practical example we say professionals are those who acquire skill, talent by qualification, knowledge, experience also. Example: chartered accountants, doctors, advocates, CA, CS, CMA, CFA. बोलो अभी पूरे courses. क्या बोला? ACCA. Glass of water. Over no? Done. So are we clear with this? Come on guys. What is the heading of PGBP? Full form. Profits and gains of business or profession. Profit means what? Income minus expense. Gain. Unexpected income in the course of business or profession. Business means what? Business includes trade, commerce, manufacture, or any adventure in the nature of trade, commerce, manufacture. Profession का मतलब? Profession includes vocation, nothing but inborn skill and talent. दोस्तों, are we all clear with this point, everybody? Please reply all of us. Pakka clear? Good. Now, what is that we are trying to do in this topic? First fundamental basic point, that is, accounts is different, tax is different. Do you agree to that? Let me give a small example. Imagine a person has got rental income. क्या करेंगे? We will show in P&L account, credit side, rental income. Why? It's an income. Sir, yes or no? Because account only runs on principles. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Debit the receiver, debit what comes in. That's it. It runs only on accounting principles. But tax is not like that. Accounting is an art. Tax is smart. Come on. So, when we talk from a taxation perspective, rental income is taxed under which head of income? House property. Correct, my dear friends? So, law is telling whatever net profit you have got as per P&L account, you start with this. Do all the adjustments. Do all the adjustments and reach profit as per income tax. Something like a BRS problem. BRS. Balance as per cash book. Adjustments. Balance as per passbook. Same logic here also. Clear, friends? But we should have a clarity of thought on what adjustments we will do. That is important. Are we getting clarity, everyone? Friends, reply everybody. Sure. Listen everyone now. We are talking about computation under PGBP. We will start with net profit as per P&L account. To that we will add expenses debited to P&L accounts. Expense what beta? But not allowed as per income tax. समझे क्या बेटा? क्या लिखा मैंने वापस बोलो? Expenses which are debited to P&L account but not allowed as per income tax. What am I doing? Adding. क्यों add कर रहा हूँ मैं? Because P&L में already खर्चा book करे आप. But that is not allowed as per income tax. Means you have to remove that expense. Means what you have to do? Add to the profit. Can we discuss some examples for this? बोलो. कुछ बोलो आप. एक तो बोलो. Wonderful. Depreciation we have taken in books as per accounts, but as per income tax it is different. One more classic example. Shiva Teja is going on a bike without helmet. Police caught. I paid challan, which is the penalty or fine. Account says debit all expenses. Income tax says any expenditure in nature of penalty is not allowed. Add back. समझे क्या बेटा? दिमाग में जा रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Everybody, all of us. One more interesting case. Listen very clearly. Payment is made in cash to a single person in a single day, more than 10,000. Please pay only by account paid check or account paid draft or online transfer. If you are paying cash, forget it. I will not give you deduction. समझ में आ रहा क्या बेटा? Speak out, my dear friends. Next, you are making some excess payment to relative. That also I will not give you deduction. Go. Next point. In P&L account, you have shown some personal expenditure. समझे बेटा? Everybody? Friends, please reply. चलो, come back to discussion. What did we start with? What did we add back? Expense debited to P&L but not allowed as per income tax. We will also add incomes credited incomes not credited to P&L but taxable as per what beta? Income tax. Some income which you did not take in P&L. I repeat again. Some income which you did not take in P&L but it is taxable as per income tax. एक example दो. क्या सकते हैं? Something like recovery of bad debts. समझे क्या? Speak out. One more example. You might tell recovery of bad debts तो accounts में भी आ सकता है ना सर? दूसरा कुछ example दो आप. मैं एक example दूंगा. There is something called specified business or scientific research. If you buy an asset, whatever it is there, you will take entire amount as deduction. Asset लिए accounts में क्या करते हैं normally? Balance sheet में asset दिखा के depreciation लेते. But income tax says take entire cost as deduction. When you have taken entire cost as deduction, tomorrow when you sell it, whatever money you get, it is taxable. Whatever money you get, it is taxable. When it is taxable, you have to add it to the profit, no? Add it. समझेगा बेटा? Speak out, my dear friends. Sir, reply beta, please. Imagine, my dear friends, I purchase one machine. Assume this machine. I purchase this machine for scientific research. Scientific research. Accounts में क्या करते हैं इसमें? We'll create the asset in the balance sheet and charge what? But income tax says under section 35, whatever is the cost of asset, you can take 100% deduction. मतलब 10 लाख का asset है, 10 लाख आप सीधा प्रॉफिट में से माइनस कर सकते. Is it not a great benefit? Speak out. But tomorrow, when you sell this for a 2 lakh, whatever 2 lakhs you get, entire 2 lakhs is taxable. Entire 2 lakhs is taxable. Enjoy करें ना डिडक्शन पहले. अब 2 लाख टैक्सेबल होगा ना, ऐसा 2 लाख टैक्सेबल, 10 लाख डिडक्शन, ऐसा कुछ है क्या अकाउंट्स में? एग्जैक्टली. समझे क्या बेटा? दोस्तों, whether you understood or not, I already taught you 4-5 sections, which I'll show. ये जो लिखा कैश वाला 40A2, relatives 40A3, penalty section 37, scientific research 35, specified business 35AD, सब आज ही हो जाएगा, फ्लो में जाएगा. सर क्लियर है ना बेटा? we'll discuss. Sir, what did we start with? Exactly, we added what? Expenses debited to P&L, but not allowed as per income tax. We also added what? Exactly, less. ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल पॉइंट है. Expenses not debited to P&L account, not debited to P&L account, but allowed as per income tax. Did you get my language, my dear friends? Come on, what I wrote? Expenses which are not debited to P&L. I repeat again, expenses which are not debited to P&L, which are not debited to P&L, but allowed as per example दो. मतलब some expense which you did not take in account, but allowed as per income tax. अब भी एक बताया था मैं आपको, asset purchased for scientific research, asset purchased for specified business. दूसरा बोलो, मैं जो नहीं बोला. ठीक है, हिंट दूं क्या? In income tax, apart from depreciation, what else will take? On the asset, if assessee is engaged in manufacturing, he purchased one new plant and machinery. Apart from depreciation, what can he claim? Additional depreciation. सुने कभी? Now tell me, is there any concept called additional depreciation in accounts? But is there in tax? No. Expenses which is not debited to P&L, but allowed as per, उसको माइनस करेंगे. समझे ना बेटा? Next, finally, less incomes credited to P&L, but what beta? Not taxable. Taxable under other heads. Did we get the last point, my dear friends? बोलो last point क्या है? Incomes what? Credited to P&L. Correct? No. But not taxable. That मतलब क्या है? मतलब क्या है बेटा? Can you give an example? Exempt incomes which are there in P&L account. क्या करेंगे इनकम टैक्स के हिसाब से? लेस करेंगे. What is the other word I wrote? Taxable under other heads. Rental income, dividend income, interest income. Rental income show under house property, dividend income show under other sources, interest show under other sources, profit or loss on sale of asset show under capital gains. दोस्तों बराबर है ना? Everybody getting clarity on this point? Are we clear, all of us? Done. Did you write this? Computation, section 29. Friends, are we clear with this, everybody? All of us? So friends, how do you do the computation? ये याद मत रखो, basic common sense apply करो. P&L, there are some expenses which are taken in P&L but not allowed as per income tax. क्या करेंगे? P&L, there are some expenses, or there are some expenses which are not taken in P&L but as per income tax they are allowed. Yes. There are some incomes which are not taken in P&L but taxable as per income tax. Add. There are some incomes which are taken in P&L but not taxable as per income tax. That's it. Pure common sense. Don't try to mug up anything. It's pure common sense. Are we getting clarity on this point, everybody? Friends, please reply better. All of us. Now listen. Section 30 to 35. 30 to what, beta? 30 to 35 deals with specific deductions. Okay? 36 deals with other deduction. 37 deals with general deduction. 40 onwards, we have got disallowances. 44 AA, 44 AB deals with books of accounts and your tax audit. Then 44 AD, ADA, AE deals with presumptive income. Friends, are we clear with this point, everybody? So friends, 30 to 35 deals with what? Specific deduction. Special नहीं बहुत specific. Specific मतलब 30 का एक अलग concept है, 31 का अलग concept है, 32 का अलग concept है. 36 is what? इसमें बहुत सारे points है. 37 is what? In general deduction, we don't have any point. We have only conditions. Condition satisfied, deduction will come. Condition not satisfied, deduction will not come. 40 onwards, what we have? Disallowances. 44 AA, AB, books of accounts, and what, my dear friends? Tax audit. Then AD, ADA, AE, presumptive income. Name only says presumptive income. How do we calculate presumptive income? When we go there, we'll talk. Which we'll talk after 1-2 days, not now. ठीक है ना बेटा, परसों बात करेंगे. But today, our focus is more to understand what are all the specific deductions, general deductions we'll get. Clear, everybody? All of us? Let's proceed. First of all, section 30 deals with expenses related to building. Come on guys, you tell me what expense can be there related to building. When I say expense related to building, that building could be owned or building could be hired. बोलो क्या रहेगा खर्चा उसका? सबसे पहले रेंट, if hired, correct? No. Next, repairs, insurance, फिर wonderful. I was waiting for that word. Listen to my point very clearly. 2 minutes. I don't want anybody to write anything. Fourth point, what I wrote, sir? Municipal tax. सुन लो बेटा, सब लोग ध्यान से सुनो ये पॉइंट, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Municipal taxes. Friends, we have got one brilliant section called 43B. Which section? First of all, before I proceed to 43B, under income tax, should we follow accrual system or should we follow cash system? Anything is okay. Choice is yours. Already I told this. Companies only, accrual is mandatory. That income tax is not telling. Companies Act is telling. बराबर है ना बेटा? सुन लो ना. 43B says certain expenditures, certain what beta? Expenditures are allowed only if they are actually paid. Only if they are what beta? Actually paid on or before due date of return of income. Only if they are what, my dear friends? Actually paid on or before due date of return of income. Again I'll ask you, what is the due date of return of income? 31st October in 3 cases. Any other case 31st July. याद है ना? बहुत important point है वो. चलो, coming back. Certain expenditure are allowed as deduction only if they are actually paid on or before due date of return of income. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? दोस्तों बोलो ना यार. Now what are those certain expenditures? Number 1, any tax, duty, cess, fees. Number 2, bonus or commission. Number 3, leave encashment. Number 4, employer contribution. Whose contribution? To RPF, superannuation, etc. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? दोस्तों, next, interest on loan taken from any bank or financial institution. Last one, amount paid to Indian Railways for use of railway assets. So getting clarity, everybody? Chalo beta. For all these cases, don't write. For all these cases, deduction will come when? Only they are actually paid. So strictly speaking, I repeat again, strictly speaking, if I am following mercantile system or accrual system, उसका मतलब क्या है? Even though expenditure is not paid, it is payable, still I can take deduction. Because in accounts what we'll do, whatever is payable also we'll charge it to P&L. Payable बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी में दिखा देंगे. यार बराबर है ना? अकाउंट्स में तो चलता है ना? But tax is telling, tax में भी चलेगा, but ये चीज नहीं चलेगा. For these things, deduction will come only if they are actually paid before due date of return of income. Pay नहीं करे boss, deduction नहीं मिलेगा. Getting clarity? Everybody, sir? Let's take an example here. Listen carefully. Sir, imagine, is municipal tax covered here? Below, municipal tax payable for 22-23, 1 lakh. किस साल के लिए payable है ये? 22-23, 1 lakh. By somebody called X Limited. Payable कौन से साल के लिए? Exactly. Aditya, listen. paid on 14th April 22. Deduction will come in 22, 23. समझे क्या? Paid on 14 September 22. Deduction will come in 22, 23. Paid on 14th November 22. 22, 23. डेट देखना मेरे भाई, समझे क्या? नेक्स्ट 16th March 23. Deduction will come in which year? 22, 23. 16th April 23. Deduction will still come in 22, 23 only. When I paid in 16th April 23, did I pay in 22, 23? अरे भाई समझ में आ रहा है क्या? ध्यानराज, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? 22, 23 के लिए रिलेटेड है. 22, 23 में पे करे क्या? पूरा साल खत्म होने के बाद पे करे ना यार, बोलो ना यार. पूरा साल खत्म होने के बाद पे करे, फिर भी डिडक्शन 22, 23 में ही अलाउड है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट्स पेड बिफोर ड्यू डेट ऑफ रिटर्न ऑफ इनकम. समझे क्या दोस्तों? यार दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट 16th October 23. Deduction will come in 22, 23. 16th November 23. No deduction in 22, 23, but allowed in 23, 24. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? In accounting terminology, we call this as timing difference. You would have learnt AS22 in your advanced accounting. Somebody would have taught you that AS22. Yes, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? That's called what difference? Timing difference. Timing difference are those differences which are अभी timing difference are those differences which are capable of reversal in one or more subsequent financial years. यार दोस्तों, प्लीज स्पीक आउट. एनीवेज, AS22 छोड़ो, ये समझ में आया क्या आपको? यार बोलो ना यार. Is it permanent difference or temporary difference? Temporary. I'm not asking you accounting question, but what I want to tell you is that income tax is telling, हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि तेरे को डिडक्शन नहीं देंगे. अगर रिटर्न ऑफ इनकम से पहले पे करे भाई तो ये साल ले ले, नहीं पे करे भाई ले ले, पर अगले साल ले ले. समझ में आया क्या? स्पीक आउट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एंड डोंट इवन डेयर टू आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन, सर ये स्टार्टिंग में 14th April 22 जो है वो 21, 22 में क्यों नहीं आया सर? क्योंकि इस साल का रिलेटेड है. इट्स रिलेटेड ओनली टू 22, 23. If that would have been related to 21, 22, I would have claimed in 21, 22 only. समझे क्या? ध्यानराज, समझा नहीं ना? सर अगर ये 14th April 22 जो है ये अगर 21, 22 का होता, 14th April 22 को पे करे तो रिडक्शन कब मिलता? 21, 22 में ही मिलेगा ना, बिकॉज रिटर्न ऑफ इनकम से पहले पे कर दिए. इधर ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि 19 साल के रिलेटेड है, 22, 23 का है, इसलिए. समझेगा बेटा? वेदांत, गाइस आर यू क्लियर और नॉट? आर्यन, ऑनलाइन गए, समझे क्या? किधर है चिराग? किधर है? ही नहीं ऑनलाइन में. इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम पे चले आते. किधर गया तुम्हारा दोस्त? क्या दोस्त है यार तुम? मतलब अच्छा. सर आर वी क्लियर विद दिस पॉइंट एवरीबॉडी? स्टूडेंट आस्किंग कितने सेक्शंस हो गए सर? 2 हो गया. एक साथ हो गया क्या सर? हाँ. अरे समझे या नहीं? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शंस. नाउ टेक. नहीं नहीं तो आप पूछोगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सर कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा गवर्नमेंट को पे किया या नहीं किए? ये ऑनलाइन क्या रे? अरे ऑनलाइन क्या ऑनलाइन? तुमको बताया था ना, टैक्स ऑडिट जब करेगा सीए, सीए विल साइन इन फॉर्म 3CD ऑडिट रिपोर्ट. पेमेंट हुआ नहीं हुआ दिखा है ना आप लोगों को? सीए कमेंट करके बताएगा ना कि पे हुआ नहीं हुआ. अरे आप लोगों को ऑडिट रिपोर्ट दिखा के बताया था उस दिन. नहीं, अब ऑडिट रिपोर्ट मत बोलो तो टेंशन नहीं है मेरे को. इतना तो बोलो कि सीए बताएगा. सीए ऑडिट रिपोर्ट में कमेंट करेगा ना. अरे पर वो चेक थोड़ी करेगा आके एक एक का. अपना रिपोर्ट ही फाइनल है. अब ये मत बोलो सीए ने नहीं किया तो. सीए इतना भी क्यूट नहीं है कि क्लाइंट का हर बात सुनने के लिए. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड इंडिपेंडेंस, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी, integrity, SA 200, and we all follow SA 230 documentation, and we ensure that there is a quality control. If required, we may make use of internal auditor. If required, we may make use of expert, and we ensure that we'll report all the items, which are also including events occurring after balance sheet date also. समझे क्या? जो दो ग्रुप लिख रहे. And not every time we do sampling. It is all auditor's judgment based on how much data is there. And that too will not even do simple sampling. We will always do random sampling. That too not simple random, stratified random. Of course, one word is enough to understand the story. मतलब हाउस प्रो ने आपको याद है, तो मैं एक लाइन बोला था, म्युनिसिपल टैक्स अलाउड ऑन पेमेंट बेसिस बट नॉट ऑन accrual basis. There you have to pay before end of financial year, not till return of income. ये रिटर्न ऑफ इनकम कहानी सिर्फ किसको है? पीजीपीपी वालों को है, एचपी वाले को नहीं है. समझे क्या? फिनिश राइटिंग. आदित्य हो गया लिखना. व्हाट जाने वी डन? क्या बोल रहे हो? यू नो दिस बॉय बिफोर ओनली? पहले से जानते इसको? इधर आने के बाद ही? हैप्पी? eating him. हंसना क्या यार? अरे कुछ भी यार, मैं जनरल सेंस में पूछा यार. इंटरप्रिटेशन ऐसा करते हैं आप लोग. तेरा सोच ऐसा है. सब कोई नहीं हंस रहा, तू और शशांक हंस रहे. डन हो गया क्या दोस्तों? चलो डन. व्हाट इज सेक्शन 30? एक्सपेंस रिलेटेड टू बिल्डिंग. 29 कंप्यूटेशन. 28 is chargeability. Chargeability में कुछ लिखा नहीं आपको, because chargeability says any income related to business or profession will come under PGBP, including business compensations. Including any business. Getting my point, everybody? So listen. Compensation related to business will come under PGBP. Compensation related to capital asset, capital gain. Interest on compensation, IFRS. Wow, I repeat again. Business compensation will come under PGBP. Compensation related to capital asset will come under capital gain. Interest on compensation will come under IFRS. Are we getting clarity, everybody? Speak out. Done. Come on. What is section 28? Chargeability section for PGBP. 29 computation. 27 deemed owner. 30. In that, what is the key point? Municipal tax allowed as deduction only if it is paid on or before due date of return of income. If it is paid after due date of return of income, what will happen? Allowed in next year, but disallowed in current year. Correct? No? Done. Next. Section 31. Repairs and insurance of plant and machinery and furniture. Repairs and insurance of what, beta? Plant and machinery and furniture. And when I say repairs, what is covered is only current repairs, not capital repairs. Can somebody tell difference between current repairs and capital repairs? Anyone sitting here? करंट रिपेयर में कैपिटल में फर्क क्या है? ठीक है. व्हाट इज कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर विच इज नॉट रेवेन्यू? ओ, व्हाट इज रेवेन्यू? विच इज चार्ज टू P&L. रेवेन्यू का मीनिंग क्या है? कैपिटल का मीनिंग क्या है? रिकरिंग नेचर. ठीक है. कैपिटल. ठीक है. और कुछ मीनिंग बोलो. Wonderful. That is the answer. Capital expenditure is that expenditure which enhances the value and life of the asset. Correct? No? That we will never charge to P&L. We will add it to the cost of asset. बराबर है ना बेटा? चलो. Repairs and also what? Insurance. That's it. Over. Which section all this? 31. क्या दोस्त? इतना है सेक्शन, कुछ नहीं. Clear? Everyone? Come on guys. What is section 28? 29 30 31 repairs insurance for plant machinery and furniture. 32 very very important, depreciation. Already some points we know. आपको क्या पता है ऑलरेडी? बोलो. एक तो ब्लॉक ऑफ असेट, दूसरा 180 days वाला स्टोरी. 180 days is only in first year of purchase. Second year, whether used or not used, 1 day or 2 days, still full depreciation. Correct na beta? Speak out, my dear friends. Chalo. First and foremost point, depreciation will come only when the asset is put to use. No, that is only for standby asset. For standby asset, ready to use is also okay. Correct, no? And less than 180 days, क्या करेंगे बेटा? Half depreciation. 180 days or more, full depreciation. बराबर है ना? And above concept is only in which year? First year of purchase. Above concept is only for first year of purchase. Doesn't matter. In the year of sale, less than 180, more than 180 is immaterial. Immaterial. Clear, beta? Everybody? Next. In case of amalgamation or a demerger, what they told in the law is depreciation is computed. क्या करेंगे बेटा? Depreciation is computed as if there is no change. No change. And then apportioned between them. And then what beta? Apportioned between them in the ratio of, and then apportioned between them in the ratio of number of days of usage. Are we clear with this point, everybody? Beta? चलो बोलो बेटा क्या है point? Depreciation is computed as if there is what? No change. Depreciation is computed as if there is no change. And then apportion between them in the ratio of what? Number of days of usage. Getting clarity? Speak out, my dear friends. Next. All expenses incurred before asset is put to use shall form part of what beta? Cost of asset. Friends, yes or no, my dear friends? And in capital gain chapter, did we discuss something called SLM for power sector units? Bolo. So if it is power sector only, we'll follow SLM. If it is not a power sector, general method for every type of person is what? WDV. And that too clearly based on what? Block of asset. Next question to you. Will depreciation come for second hand? Will depreciation be allowed for second hand? Definitely answer is yes. Getting clarity, everyone? Guys, next. If a building is used for personal purpose, building used for what beta? Personal purpose, then brought into business. I repeat again, what is the line I wrote, sir? Building used for personal purpose, then brought into business. Then value of asset to be recorded is equal to actual cost minus notional depreciation. Notional matlab, what would have been the depreciation if building would have been used for business purpose right from beginning, and this concept is only for building. If it is other than building, actual cost is considered. So if it is other than building, what is considered, sir? Actual cost is considered. So are we clear with this point, everybody? Just speak out. Friends, chalo, let's discuss something. Then we'll start some questions. Additional depreciation. किसको मिलेगा सर ये? Only for us who are engaged in manufacturing. They purchased what? New plant and machinery. New plant and? Come on, what is additional depreciation? 20% of cost of new asset. And if less than 180 days, what better? 10%. And balance 10% you can claim in next year. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा दोस्तों? And this does not include plant and machinery installed in guest house or in office. We want to promote manufacturing, not office. Vehicles. Plant and machinery whose cost is fully claimed as deduction. Are we all clear with this point? Everybody, I have a question. Shiva Teja, I have got one asset. WDV is 5 lakh in the books. I sold it to my friend and again repurchased the same for 9 lakhs. तो क्या होगा? WDV की बुक्स में कितना है? 5 lakh. I sold for 5 and I repurchased for 9. Law is telling when you buy back for 9, the cost what you should take in the books is WDV at the time of transfer or purchase price, whichever is. Don't try to play games with us. समझे क्या? दोस्तों बोलो. I'll give a question. First let me frame. Hold on. From this information given in the question, compute WDV on 1422 on 1423. From this data you compute. Got it, no? Yes, do it. Student asking, depreciation rate क्या है सर? 15%. ठीक है ना? Do it. यस गाइस, हो गया क्या? क्या है आंसर आपको? So I asked for 2 years, no? I asked for 2 years. What is open WDV? ऐड क्या करेंगे? Asset purchased. कितना है वैल्यू? 30 plus 20, 50 lakhs. Sold. कुछ भी नहीं है ना ये साल यार, दोस्तों बोलो ना यार. What is the closing WDV? 1 CR. अभी किया नहीं. हाँ तो अरे सबसे पहले डेप्रिसिएशन तो नॉर्मल तो निकालो. हाँ अरे 15% इज नॉर्मल डेप्रिसिएशन, 20% एडिशनल डेप्रिसिएशन, वो भी आएगा ये भी आएगा. चलो, हाउ मच इज नॉर्मल डेप्रिसिएशन बेटा बोलो? 15%. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 20 लाख इंटू 15% इंटू 1/2 प्लस 80 लाख इंटू 15%. क्या आप लोग? कितना एग्जैक्टली? हाउ मच एडिशनल डिप्रिसिएशन? क्या बोल रहे यार? 30 लाख इंटू 20%, 6 लैक्स. अरे क्या हो गया आपको? इस पे आएगा, सेकेंड हैंड पे एडिशनल नहीं आएगा. यार बोलो ना यार. एवरीबडी, दैट्स इट. नाउ व्हाट विल बी ओपन इन WDV फॉर 1/4/22? Huh? 80 lakhs. Exactly. That is my open WDV. समझे क्या? To this we'll add what? Asset purchased. कितना? Nil. दिया ना यार 10 lakhs. Less sold 3 lakhs. Friends, are we understanding? What is closing WDV? 87 lakhs. Exactly. How do I calculate normal depreciation? Directly 87,50,000 into 15%. Because new asset is used for more than 180 days. Sir, yes or no, sir? ज्ञानराज, समझ में आ रहा क्या? कितना बेटा? 13,12,500. Additional depreciation 10 lakh into 20%, which is 2 lakhs. And WDV for 1/4/23 will be कितना? 72 lakhs. That's it. That is the question what I asked. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं? वो भी नया मशीन है. वो भी नया मशीन है ना. जब नया है तो क्यों नहीं आएगा? Now I'll ask you one question. Think properly and tell now. Come on. Plant and machinery. General rate क्या है? 15%. Computers. Computer is also covered in plant and machinery only. Let me tell you, computer is also covered in plant and machinery. But rate क्या है? 40%. Books. Intangible assets. Already पढ़ा है मैंने. 25. स्लम सेल में एक क्वेश्चन में डिस्कशन में आया था. 25%. Furniture fittings. 10%. Residential building 5%, कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग 10%. क्या हुआ दोस्त, कोई आए क्या आपके लिए? तो अपना काम कर लेंगे ना. रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग 5%, कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग, इंटेंजिबल्स, बुक्स, कंप्यूटर्स, कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर, लैपटॉप्स, एग्जैक्टली पूरे सेगमेंट पूरा 40. समझ में आ रहा ना बेटा? यार सबको क्लियर है या नहीं? पक्का माय डियर फ्रेंड्स? वन मोर क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी. बराबर आंसर ही नहीं दिया आप लोग, क्या है वो? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओपन ए WDV on 1421 of plant and machinery, 15% rate, 8 lakhs. Purchased 2 plant and machinery on 11/11/21 for 10 lakhs each. One is old and one is new. Purchased computer on 5/5/21 for 5 lakh. Assess is in manufacturing only. Purchased new plant and machinery on 5/5/22 for 8 lakhs. Sold one plant and machinery on 8/8/21 for 6 lakhs. Compute depreciation for 21/22 and 22/23. क्वेश्चन समझे क्या बेटा? कंप्यूटर को क्या करेंगे आप? हाँ, अलग लेंगे. और ऊपर से सर ये न्यू है, ये भी न्यू है. नाउ टेल मी, फॉर न्यू कंप्यूटर कैन वी क्लेम एडिशनल डिप्रिसिएशन? आंसर इज नो, because additional depreciation is only for plant and machinery, not for computers. Plant and machinery does not include computers. क्लियर है क्या? चलो सॉल्व करो. Online answers are flowing. Offline students, face to face students. What Divya? Sir, done? Chalo. 21, 22. What is open in WDV? दोस्तों बोलो ना यार. 8 lakhs. Add what? Asset purchase कितना है वैल्यू? 20 lakhs. उतना ही है. आपको एक नया ब्लॉक बनाना पड़ेगा ना. ये 15% का ब्लॉक है, एक 40% का ब्लॉक है, इसका डैश है, इसका कितना है परचेस्ड? 5 लाख. समझे क्या दोस्तों? सोल्ड कौन सा ब्लॉक है? एग्जैक्टली. समझे या नहीं बेटा? व्हाट इज क्लोजिंग डब्ल्यूडीवी? 22 lakhs. आप ऐसा अलग अलग ब्लॉक बनाए ना, या एक साथ करके फेंक दिए? चलो बताओ मुझे अभी, व्हाट विल बी द डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर दिस ईयर? वर्किंग बता भाई. हाँ, 8 lakhs. अरे ऐसे थोड़े वर्किंग करेंगे यार आप लोग. इसमें 10 lakhs इज 11 11 21. मतलब दो जो है विच आर परचेस्ड ऑन 11 11 21. करेक्ट? नो, दैट मीन्स ऑन 20 lakhs हाफ. ओपनिंग पे करते क्या ऐसा? पहले ओपनिंग का बताने का क्या है? गलत बोल रहे हैं आप लोग. मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ आपको. 20 लाख इंटू 15% इंटू 1/2 प्लस 8 लाख. क्या 8 लाख? 2 लाख इंटू 15%. वही तो मैं बोल रहा था तब से. ओपनिंग पे करने का क्या रहता? वी ऑलवेज कैलकुलेट ऑन व्हाट? क्लोजिंग डब्ल्यूडीवी. नो, अरे यार क्या हो गया यार आप लोगों को यार? वी ऑलवेज कैलकुलेट ऑन क्लोजिंग डब्ल्यूडीवी. नो, ओपनिंग पे करने का क्या है? पहले बता रहे. मैं बोल रहा हूँ गलत ही बोल रहे हैं आप. ओपनिंग पे करने का क्या रहता है कॉन्सेप्ट? समझ में आ रहा है कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ दोस्तों? कितना ही है? 1 लाख. इतना ही है ना? ऑनलाइन आप लोग क्या जवाब दे रहे हैं यार? चेक कर लो आपका आंसर्स. एडिशनल डेप्रिसिएशन सिर्फ एक 10 लाख पे आएगा ना, इंटू 10% विच कम्स टू 1 लाख. स्पीक आउट. यार समझ में आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? कंप्यूटर पे कैसे नहीं? आई होप वी आर क्लियर विद दिस. क्या करें यार आप लोग, ऐसा कुछ भी बना दे रहे क्या यार. प्लीज बेटा डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक्स. 15%, 40%. What is the opening WDV? Online, Umesh, Nitya, check your answers beta. 19 lakhs. ठीक है. 3 lakhs. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Purchased. कब भाई मोर देन 180 है ना? मोर देन 180 है ना? Don't write now. Listen. Listen now. How do I calculate depreciation? See that 27 lakh 20,000 into. Never ever calculate an opening separate that separates. कितना है बोलो? फिगर बोलो सिर्फ. बराबर है ना? What is my additional depreciation? 8 lakh into 20% plus 10 lakh into 10%. समझे क्या लास्ट ईयर का पेंडिंग कितना है? 2,60,000. That's it. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Generally in paper 99.99% a question will come on depreciation. समझे क्या? या क्लैरिटी आ रहा है क्या? इधर बैठने का पर्पस वही है. प्लीज योर टाइम माई टाइम बोथ आर प्रेशियस टाइम, so it has to be worth it. Next, can I proceed? Now listen. Tirupati Limited has opened a WDV of 50 lakhs. ठीक है? Asset purchased, plant and machinery 15% assume करो. ठीक है ना? Asset purchased on 1/12/22 for 10 lakhs. Asset sold nil. ठीक है? तिरुपति लिमिटेड amalgamated with Balaji Limited. Amalgamated with what beta? Balaji Limited. And transferred assets for 90 lakh. ठीक है ना बेटा? And it is not into manufacturing. इसका मतलब क्या है? एडिशनल को इग्नोर करो. इस क्वेश्चन में आप लोग करने से पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि ये क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे आप. पहले विल कैलकुलेट डेप्रिसिएशन एज इफ देयर इज नो चेंज, देन अपोर्शन बेस्ड ऑन number of days of usage. For that, let me tell you, amalgamation happened, let us say, on 1/1/23. ठीक है ना? बोलो, what is the opening WDV? Asset purchase कितना है? And amalgamation happened, and at what value all the assets are transferred? This figure is irrelevant. समझे क्या? That is not sale price. समझे क्या? Speak out. At what value all the assets are transferred is irrelevant for us. Speak out, beta. Everybody, because there is not selling price for the block. Clear? Done. Do it. Done. So are we clear with this point? चलो बेटा, what is opening WDV? Purchased. Sold तो कुछ है ही नहीं, किसको बेचे थोड़ी, अमालगमेशन हुआ बस सिर्फ. टोटल 60 lakhs, बराबर है ना? डेप्रिसिएशन कितना है बेटा? 10 लाख पे 15% इंटू 1/2 कितना है? बराबर है ना? नेक्स्ट 50 लाख पे ये आप लोग बराबर करें क्या? पक्का? नाउ टोटल कितना है? वेरी गुड. नाउ व्हाट आर द एंटिटीज नेम्स? तिरुपति लिमिटेड, बालाजी लिमिटेड, बराबर है ना? कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? नाइन मंथ्स, 3 months, but you should not talk in months, you have to talk in days. हाँ, एक्ट में बोला है वो, we have to apportion based on number of days of usage. तो क्या करेंगे? अरे 275 डेज होता है यार, इतना क्या सोच रहे हैं आप? जैन पे मार्च का 90 डेज होता, तो क्या सोच रहे हैं आप? इतना कैलकुलेट करने का क्या है उसमें? जैन पे मार्च का 90 डेज है ना, तो बाकी बच्चा कितना फिर 275? अरे 365 डेज है ना साल में, क्या हो बेटा? कैसे करेंगे फिर? 8,25,000 इंटू 94 बालाजी, तिरुपति का 275. Wonderful. Nonsense answer. What they told in the law is that we have to apportion based on number of days of usage. First, 7,50,000 into 275 divided by 365. 7,50,000 into 90 divided by 365. 75,000 into 31. 31 divided by 121. 75,000 into 90 divided by 121. When asset is only there for 121 days, why will you take for 365 days? Exam question. Came in exam for 4 marks. And in exam it was Sai Limited, Shirdi Limited. I changed the names to Tirupati and Balaji. No discrimination. अरे लिखा ना additional depreciation का, not in manufacturing. यार दोस्तों समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको? दिमाग में गया क्या पक्का? You cannot apply months. If you do months, marks will not come. Because in act only they told you have to apportion based on number of days of usage. And when the asset is there, new asset is there only for 121 days, how can you take 365? Point समझे क्या? चेहरा क्यों बनाया? समझ में आया क्या सबको? Clear my dear friends? Come on. What is section 28? 29, 30, expense related to building. 31, repair section for plant machinery and furniture. 32, 32 to unabsorbed depreciation. And we already know the concepts, which we can set off with any head of income except salaries. अरे बताया ना सेट ऑफ कैरी फॉर चैप्टर में दोस्तों, स्पीक आउट एवरीवन. चलो ओपन द मटेरियल. पेज नंबर, come on, see the first one. The following incomes are not taxable under this head, even though assessee is in the business of rental income, dividend, lottery. Rental income, where do you show? House property, dividend, lotteries, IFOS, business we spoke, profession we discussed. Basic principle always is that business should be carried on. But even though business is not carried on, still we have to pay tax. Case number 1, recovery against what? Simple logic. In P&L account, GST what you paid, you have shown as expense. After 2 years, you got GST refund. Logic telling pay tax. When you paid, if you took as expense, when you got refund, pay tax. Logic से बात है ना, पढ़ो ये. In earlier years, deduction was allowed to the assessee. During the financial year, assessee obtained what? Refund. You might ask, sir, what if GST is not debited to P&L? Very good. Refund is not taxable. Straight logic, no? Speak out, guys. Next. Sale of depreciable asset. By what unit? Sale of asset used for what research? Chalo, guys. What is section 28? Charitable section 29. Accommodation 30. Expense related to building 31. Repairs and insurance for plant, machinery and furniture 32. Depreciation 32.2. 35 deals with scientific research. And they clearly told in the law both revenue and capital can be claimed as deduction at 100%. But capital except land. Land का नहीं मिलेगा. समझे ना बेटा? Prior period मतलब चालू करने से पहले खर्चा करे. If it is within 3 years, then that is also allowed. Clear, friends? And the interesting point is, this could be in-house or it could be contributions. मतलब अपन खुद करे research, या तो we contributed something like to IITs, to national laboratories, to social research, statistical research, ये सब कुछ आएगा इसमें. सर एक पॉइंट सुनो इधर, लिखो मत एक मिनट. Once upon a time, there was a concept called 150%. इसमें 125%, इसमें 175%, इसमें 200%. ये सब कहानी था, वो सब कुछ हटा दिए. अब सीधा बोल दिए सब केस में 100%. Student is very happy, assessee is crying. जिसको 200% मिलता था 100 हो गया ना, और हो रहा है. स्टूडेंट बोल रहा है अच्छा हो गया. क्यों? हाँ, सब केस में 100%. याद रखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है किस केस में क्या क्या है. Imagine suddenly surcharge rates are changed and reduced. Student will cry, अरे यार फिर से चेंज हो गया यार. assessee very happy, रेट तो कम होना, उसको तो वही दिखता. अपने को तो काम आसान चाहिए. नथिंग रॉन्ग, मेरे स्टूडेंट भी तो ऐसे सोचता था. चल हो गया. नाउ लिसन, you purchase one asset for scientific research. I repeat again, you purchase one asset for what research? Let us say 5 lakh. You will take 100% reduction. You will take 100% reduction, yes or no? And once you have taken 100% reduction, under which section? Law is telling common sense point, no depreciation. Already पूरा ले लिया ना भाई. Correct, my dear friends? Now listen to the point. This is sold directly. मतलब यूज करने के बाद उसको बेच दिए. स्टूडेंट आस्क डायरेक्टली मतलब क्या होता? इनडायरेक्टली क्या हो सकता? इनडायरेक्टली मतलब साइंटिफिक रिसर्च खत्म होने के बाद दूसरा काम के लिए यूज कर रहे. दूसरा काम के लिए यूज करेंगे तो ये एसेट जाके इट विल गो एंड जॉइन द ब्लॉक. If the asset purchased for scientific research is used for another purpose, it will go and join the block at nil value. At what value? Why? 100% cost already ले लेना भाई. अगर डायरेक्टली बेच दिए, 2-3 cases. Case number 1, sold for 4 lakhs. Law is telling taxable under PGBB. करेक्ट ना? चलिए 2 केस बस से. सोल्ड फॉर 6 lakhs, क्या करेंगे? That's it. Student is asking, सर प्रॉफिट और लॉस से संबंध नहीं है क्या? नहीं. क्यों संबंध नहीं है सर? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आपने 5 लाख डिडक्शन ले लिया. करेक्ट नो? डोंट गेट इमोशनल टेलिंग सर 5 लाख में परचेस करे, 4 लाख में बेचे, 1 लाख लॉस आया ना, तो क्या हुआ? ऑलरेडी 5 लाख डिडक्शन ले लेना भाई. तो फिर गेटिंग क्लैरिटी एवरीबॉडी? गुड. क्या हो रहा है? Are we clear with this? Get back. What is section 28? Charitable for PGBP 29. Accommodation 30. Expense related to building 31. Repairs insurance for plant machinery and furniture 32. 32-2. 35. 43B. Some expenditures are allowed as deduction only on payment basis. अरे पढ़ा है ना बेटा अभी? Only if they are paid on or before due date of return of income. समझे क्या यार दोस्तों? Get back. Sale of asset used for scientific research, then recovery of what? Bad debts. That is also taxable, because when bad debts were there, you charged off to P&L, you recovered, pay tax. Business loss, that also will reduce. Business loss we can set off, no sir. Loss is revenue in nature. Loss is not notional. Loss is incurred during the previous year. This point you know. It should not merely anticipate in the future. It should be actual loss, not notional loss. Principle of conservatism. Accounting. Conservatism principle. Loss should be incidental to nature of business. 29 competition. 30. Expense related to what beta? Building. दोस्तों यार बोलो ना यार. Next. This point you see, local rate municipal tax allowed subject to what? Provisions of section. That is the key. Correct no? Next 31. Repairs insurance of what? Plant and machinery. 32. Depreciation. बहुत बात करें बहुत इस बारे में, बट आपको ये 2-3 चीजें याद दिला दो इसमें. बिल्डिंग, रेजिडेंशियल, कमर्शियल. नेक्स्ट टू सी इंस्टॉलिंग मशीनरी इक्विपमेंट एंड ऑल दिस छोड़ दो. ये प्योरली टेम्पररी स्ट्रक्चर सच एज वुडन स्ट्रक्चर. व्हाट रेट? वुडन स्ट्रक्चर्स. फर्नीचर फिटिंग्स 10%. कार normally 15%. Normally 15%, but it is running on higher. Running on, then what rate बेटा? 30%. समझे क्या? इसको इग्नोर करो. Acquired from so and so date to so and so date. put to use before so and so date. इसका टाइम हो गया ना अभी. Aeroplanes, aero engines, air pollution equipment 40%, life saving equipment 40%. ये important है. Computers 40%, books 40%. Correct? No? And if you observe carefully, computer also is in plant and machinery only, but उसका rate अलग है. Same type, same rate. Create one block. Next, general rate 15%, vessels 20%, intangibles 25%. Additional depreciation, ये तो हम बात करें, ships को ये सबको नहीं मिलेगा, ऑफिस अप्लायंस को नहीं मिलेगा, रेसिडेंस गेस्ट हाउस को नहीं मिलेगा, पूरा कॉस्ट ऑलरेडी ले लिए, फिर भी नहीं मिलेगा. दोस्तों, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज? 20%, लेस देन 180, 10%, बैलेंस 10% नेक्स्ट ईयर. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? अनअब्सॉर्ब्ड डेप्रिसिएशन क्या करेंगे? सेट ऑफ अगेंस्ट एनी हेड ऑफ इनकम एक्सेप्ट सैलरी. कैरी फॉरवर्ड फॉर हाउ मच टाइम? इंडेफिनेट पीरियड. याद है ना? नेक्स्ट 35, साइंटिफिक रिसर्च. अभी बहुत सिंपल हो गया, सब जगह 100 100 100 100 100. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? ये अभी मैं आपको जो पढ़ाया था, when the asset is sold, sale price or deduction, whichever is lower will tax under PGBP. एक्सरसाइज तो where do we tax? Capital gains. दोस्तों बताया था आपको मैंने ये चीज, ये बाद में बात करेंगे. This problem can you solve? 2 मिनट टाइम निकालो आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, give me the answer. हो गया बेटा? डिप्रेशन कितना है बोलो? 40 लाख पे 6 लाख, 14.4 लाख पे कितना आया? दोनों का अलग अलग डिवाइड करना है ना, इस बार तो गड़बड़ नहीं करेंगे ना आप लोग? हो गया क्या? चलो साई का क्या करें? 6 लाख इंटू बराबर शिरडी का, ये तो सेम ही था। ये 31/151, क्या बोल रहा है भाई? 151 में 152 है क्या? 151 सेम टू सेम कॉपी करेगा क्या यार? 61 है क्या? अच्छा नवंबर दिसंबर ना, सॉरी, यू आर राइट, 61, दैट्स इट। दोस्तों अरे लास्ट क्वेश्चन में ये क्वेश्चन में इतना ही फर्क है, वो दिसंबर था, ये नवंबर है। सीधा सीधा करो, बाद में देखेंगे, जो होता देखा जाएगा। So clear now, everybody? That's all. We'll stop here for today. Thank you so much. Take care. See you all tomorrow.